Most air fryer chicken comes out dry and flavorless. With this method, it'll be crisp and juicy. When you pull this out of the air fryer, you're gonna hear that crunch. Be sure and stick around to the end. I'll share a seasoning trick most people overlook, and it changes everything. Today we're making air fryer chicken thighs, bone in, skin on, and here's everything you need. Olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, smoked paprika, and garlic powder. And one more thing, I'm holding that back until the end. Let's get into it. First, mix our seasonings. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Stir until it's thoroughly mixed. Now that it's mixed, we'll set it aside and work with our chicken. First thing, and this is where many people mess up, you've got to pat your chicken completely dry. Right now you're probably thinking, why does this matter? Because moisture is the enemy of crispy skin. Every drop of water on that chicken is a drop keeping it from crisping up. We're using olive oil to make that seasoning stick. Be sure and pat both sides dry. Place the chicken thighs into our seasoning mixture. Make sure and mix until the chicken is thoroughly covered with an even coat of seasoning. Reheat the air fryer for about 3 minutes at 380 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 193.333 Celsius. Here's a step a lot of videos leave out. Be sure and place the chicken thighs in the air fryer, skin side down. Believe me, it works. 380 degrees Fahrenheit, 12 minutes, skin side down. Don't open it. Hear that sizzle? It's been 12 minutes. The aroma smells amazing. Look at that underside, exactly what we want. Now flip our chicken skin side up. We'll place it back in the air fryer for 8 minutes. It's been 8 minutes for a total cooking time of 20 minutes. And that's what we're after, a golden brown crisp crust. Checking the temperature, we want 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 73 Celsius. Perfect. Listen to how crisp that skin is. Remember, there's one more seasoning we've got to add. Yes, I've already sliced into this. I'll show you that in a minute. But I've got to show you this. This drizzle of lemon really puts it over the top. If that looks good to you, be sure and subscribe. That final drizzle of lemon is the difference between good chicken and how did you make this chicken?